While I am waiting for my meeting to begin, I'm going to get started with taking out my braids. So I typically start, my hair is probably like maybe right here, maybe. So I'm going to start like down here. I don't play. I don't care. See? Start right there. Then what I'm going to do is go ahead and start unraveling it until I get it where I want it. And then I could start taking it out myself. But my laptop has like half, I don't know if I like that, half of the, wait a minute. Let me see something. What time is it? I'm gonna wait a few more minutes. Let me go and get my charger. So I have it half up in the bun and half down because I'm gonna start from the back part. And I have to run out to pick up my older grandson in about maybe like 2 hours. So I didn't like how that went in, how that sound. So that's why I put it like this. So when I go get him, I won't be looking all crazy. Let me see. I have a few minutes before I need to log in. So let me just go ahead and finish taking this one out. I can't remember if the last time I did took my hair out, if I started from the top or the bottom. I'm thinking the bottom. I can't see me starting from the top. That just doesn't really make sense. It's been a minute, a little over 2 months, almost 3 months since I took the last ones out, but I still can't remember how I took them out. And to me, this is the longest part, just getting them out. Like if it was some easy way to just, I don't know, go through and pull it out, that would be perfect, but it's not. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and attend my meeting, and then I will come back and show you all the progress I've made. See y'all soon. Good morning, you all. So the last thing you all saw was me taking out a braid or two. So this is the result. I've taken my hair out, but last night was a challenge. My daughter got a flat tire. My grandson and I had to meet her. Good thing she was able to get to a safe location. Thank God for that. But now it's in the morning, and she just dropped my grandson off at school. She's on her way back, and then I will take her to the tire place where she can get her new tires. So anyway, I'm out in these streets looking real crazy, but there's nothing I can do about it. But anyway, when I come back, I'm going to get started on this head. I want to do a video, but I'm not sure the condition of my hair, because even before the braids, it was, you know, not healthy, and I'm, you know, started working on getting it healthy again. So I don't know how it's going to look now that it's out of the braids. So anyway, stay tuned. If you don't see a video of me doing my hair, I'll just show you how my hair looks anyway, the condition of it. So stay tuned. So y'all, please excuse my room. It's looking crazy. So anyway, I wanted to show y'all this part right here. If y'all can see, the new growth stops right here. So all of this is new growth, and all this is my perm hair. So anyway, I took my braids out, and I thought my hair looks worse than it did before I put the braids in. And the reason why I was getting the braids was because it was already damaged. I was just trying to do something with it instead of me keep doing it. And I didn't really like how it was looking when I would get it done and do it myself. So I was like, let me just get some braids. The first time I got the braids, I felt like a lot of my hair didn't come out. But this time I had it been a little longer, and it had a lot of that, I call it gook, that edge control in it. And I felt like that is a lot on your hair as well. And I also felt like I did not shampoo it right. I shampooed it wrong. I should have shampooed with the Design Essential Honey Cream first, and then use the clarifying shampoo, but I did it backwards. I feel like I was like, let me just use the clarifying, get all this gook out, but I shouldn't have done that. So I did that in 3 sections. The 3 sections I did, I noticed that more of my hair came out. Then the last section I did the right way. I did the honey and cream shampoo, combed it out, and then I used the clarifying shampoo. So I noticed I didn't get a lot of hair. Well, a lot of hair didn't come out that time with the last section I did. But anyway, I'm about to flat iron this, and I'm probably gonna flat iron and put a couple big curls in it, and then end up putting it in a bun, because I just can't imagine how it's gonna look. I feel like this comb is too big. Let me see if I can find another comb. Hold on 1 second. So again, did I say excuse my rooms? I know it's looking real crazy right now, but yeah, anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead on, stop talking, and get started on my hair.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground, no, I don't feel the
So of course, my phone needs to be charged. Instead of people be like, oh, my camera needs to be charged. I'm only joking. But anyway, my phone needs to be charged because I'm not using my camera because I have to delete footage off of my camera from my trip. So I'm almost done the back. Turn this TV down or mute it while I'm doing my hair. So I know you all have seen me use the clips. The reason why I use the clips is to make sure that I do not just get a section mixed in with another section. I don't like that. I like doing it like this, section by section. Now, as you can see, I do have some length, but it's not healthy length. You know what I mean? And I probably shouldn't have on this black shirt because you really can't tell with this black shirt on as far as, you might still be able to see the damage. I'm going to show y'all when I turn around in a minute. And for me, I always just do one pass. I don't know if you'll ever see me do more than one pass on my hair. I'll do the root and then I'll do my hair, but you'll probably never see me do 2 passes on my hair. I just feel like I don't need to. That's the whole point to me of having a comb. The comb is what does the job. You shouldn't have to keep going over and over and over your hair. That's definitely going to damage it. And we ain't trying to damage no hair, not anything extra. And the reason why I go over the root a second time, because the roots are usually, you know, the kinky part. Oh, y'all had to let that go. Sheesh. Did I even do that enough? Because that was burning my finger. Sheesh. I have to watch it the next time. That thing was burning. I had it too close to the comb or something. Oh, and I put my flat irons on 390. I don't go any higher than that. That's because I don't need to. So let me show y'all this part. So now let me show y'all the back. And see, this is what I mean. You can't really tell where like the damage is. So I'm thinking I probably need to cut maybe like to here. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe like to here. I need it cut up to here. And probably some layers, and that will help with the damage. It's like if you look right here, you really can't tell too much. But you can see these ends, where these ends need to be clipped. Cut, clipped. That's that gray sticking out, poking out. The gray hair is a beast. Anyway, I'm gonna finish doing my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how everything looks.
Delta Airbus bound for Tokyo hit a much smaller regional jet, knocking off its tail.
That is so true.
We're going to do. This allows you to clear your mind and move on to the next thing.
It really sort of like seems like ingest all of that information that you just shared. New York Times bestselling author Cal Newport. This was really interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And to our viewers, stay right here. You are watching NBC News.
Protect against RSV with Arexvy. Arexvy is a vaccine used to prevent known respiratory disease from RSV in people 60 years old. Arexvy does not protect everyone and is not for those with severe allergic reactions to its ingredients. Those with a weakened immune system may have a lower response to the vaccine. The most common side effects are injection site pain, fatigue, muscle pain, headache, and joint pain. Arexvy is #1 in RSV vaccine shots. RSV, make it Arexvy.
This is a Cottonelle Public Paper Service announcement. Your toilet paper leaking with an unclean feeling you can't shake? You deserve Cottonelle Ultra Clean and Flushable Wipes. Together, Cottonelle Rebels clean even better, so you feel clean as a... You've got the right to a better life. When bad allergies hit, trust Claritin to keep you in the game. Nothing has proven more effective for 24-hour non-drowsy allergy relief in one pill. Live Claritin Clear.
Did you know there's a way to cut your dishwashing time by 50%? Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time. Dawn Power Wash has 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps that remove food and grease 5 times faster. And because it cleans so well, you can replace multiple cleaning products for counters, stoves, and even laundry stains. Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. Brand Power helping you buy better.
Still have symptoms from moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease after a TNF blocker like Humira or Remicade? Put them in check with Rinvoq. Rinvoq works differently. It's a once-daily pill.
When symptoms try to take control, I have rapid relief with Rinvoq. Check.
Reflex trying to slow me down? I got lasting steroid-free remission with Rinvoq. Check.
And when my ducts saw damage, Rinvoq helped physically reduce damage in the intestinal lining. Check.
Rapid symptom relief, lasting steroid-free remission.
And physically reduced damage. Check, check, and check.
Rinvoq can lower your ability to fight infections, including TB, serious infections, and blood clots, some fatal. Cancers, including lymphoma and skin, heart attacks, stroke, and GI tears occur. People 50 and older with a heart disease risk factor have an increased risk of death. Serious allergic reactions can occur. Tell your doctor if you want to take your break. If you see Ed Crohn's in you and keep them there with Rinvoq. Ask your gastroenterologist about Rinvoq and learn how AbbVie can help you save.
So I just got finished my hair. I do have some flyaways up top. I'm going to put some oil on it. I'm going to use this Cheese Silk Infusion and just put a little bit on my hair, and then I'm going to wrap it up. As you all can see, what I mean by damage is I definitely a really good cut, but right here where you can see it's like thin, really thin. If I put this hair back here, then look at this. It's just like paper almost. Now I don't know why this little part just doing whatever it wants to do. But yeah, so this is my hair after, you might as well say like 4.5 months of having my hair braided. I had it braided for my Dubai trip in May, kept it in for 2 months, and then got it redone and had it in for the rest of the summer. I have never done that before, but I just felt like I was going on vacation again, and it was hot, so you know, why not? And I did get the braids early this year because I got them in the end of March, no, the end of April for my Dubai trip, which was in May. And then the color, my color is pretty much gone. The gray is popping out, but it doesn't look too bad. But my hair needs to get back on track. So when I go and get my hair done, she's gonna give me a cut, a good cut. I don't know how healthy it will look once she does give me a cut, but I feel like I'm gonna just keep going from there. Just keep doing my deep conditioners, keep doing my pre-pools, and mix a little bit of hot oil treatment in with those things as well. And just see what happens. I'm gonna give it, you know, I'm gonna say maybe a good 6 months or more just to see if anything does improve. If not, I might just chop it all off, but I'm trying to avoid that right now. I have had my hair cut short before, but yeah, I just want to give it a minute just to see if I can get it back together. So anyway, that's the end of this video. So y'all can see like the back. Yes, I have length, but it's just not as, like I said, healthy as it should be. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. Oh, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please give me any tips that you all may have for me to get my hair back healthy. Again, thanks for watching.